everybody, it's me again, Kimberly Floyd, the site manager with Advanced Birthplace. Today what I am doing is I am going to make a cup and ball toss toy. So this is actually a toy that we do with a lot of school groups that come to our site. After they tour the grounds, we talk about the different types of toys and games that children could play 200 years ago. So the cup and ball toy is a good one because it has been around for hundreds of years. There are various versions all over the world. This one, most of them are made out of wood. This is one we keep at the site and it's really hard to get. But the idea is you are literally trying to get the ball into the cup. So I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Oh, it was almost there. I could sit here all afternoon trying this and probably would not get it. But what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna make our own with supplies that we have around at home. So one way I do this is with a sheet of paper. First, this is just construction paper. It's cut out 7.5 by 2 inches. I've got a popsicle stick. I've got a piece of string that I have cut to about 20 inches. It doesn't need to be like exact, but around there. I've got a stapler and scissors, and I've got a bead. You can really use any bead as long as the hole in the bead is big enough and your string is thin enough. So you also can have crayons. So part of the project, once you cut out the template for your cup, then you can decorate it however you want. I have written on mine that history rocks because I love history, but I'm also going to just draw a little flower because it's springtime right now and that makes me happy. So I've got a little flower. So what I'm going to do is I am actually going to, what I'm doing is I'm spinning this up and I'm making my cup. So this is gonna be the cup part. Stapler. I would get your cup as small as it can go to fit the stapler. So I'm literally just stapling this and I've made my cup. The next step is to get your bead on your string. It'll go through the bead a lot easier that way. So I am keeping it down at the end so you can see what I've done there. I'm gonna double knot it. Done. Now I just gotta put all my pieces together. So I've got my cup, I've got my popsicle stick, and then I'm gonna take the string, not the bead end, and I lay it on top of the popsicle stick. So, stapler, I'm gonna come in and staple it all together. Now, if you find that you've got some little parts here that might accidentally scratch some fingers, you can take some tape and just put it over it. So, done. And let me back up a little bit so I have a little room. Oh, I still didn't get it. Oh, so this is a fun way to, oh, there, I got it. You can make your own cup and ball toy at home. Thanks.